So this is Florida, we in here.
What's up YouTube? Welcome back to another video. In today's video we're gonna be going out to Daytona truck meet. Woo, woo. We're gonna be heading out of the Daytona truck meet. It starts Friday, but we're getting an early head start and leaving Thursday. And I'm trying to get there. It's 7, we're gonna leave here 7 a.m. get down there around 1:30 p.m. We have the truck kind of washed. We didn't really want to wash it too well because I know by the time I get down there the bugs are going to kill the front end and everything, so I'm going to have to rewash it anyways. But it's, like I said, kind of washed. I have most of the things packed. We're just waiting for a couple people to come. I'm going to be convoying with 2 other trucks, and then I'm going to have some other trucks possibly meeting me in Georgia, which is pretty cool. It's a 7-hour drive. We're going to pray and we hope that we get there safely, and let's do this, y'all. So we actually got here, it's 7:30, 8 o'clock. We're actually at the pre-meet that's at Buffalo Wild Wings. There's, I mean, probably hundreds and hundreds of trucks here. There's a ton of trucks. Just walk around, record a little bit, and show you guys what it's like to be here if you're not here, so check it out. Oh, check out my boys, Raps, 3rd Gen. Super duper nice. You'll see a little bit of him here and there in all the vlogs, so let's go. Knockout Customs here. Boom. Check out mine. Oh, this is Power stroke jab. Which one you guys taking? 3rd Gen or the 17? Illuma Duty. 17, 18, whatever it is. Woo, that color in person looks too nice.
Follow me at the J-Man.
The struggles of fitting in a parking lot. Cleanest 2nd Gen you'll see, hands down. So leave it down in the comments. Am I tripping, or does he have more stance on this right side than he does on this left side? I don't know, something not right here. Still very, very nice, clean build though. This thing is massive, man. Came a long ways. looks really sick. What's crazy is actually the Daytona official page said that Buffalo manager and them had requested that we not meet here, but I mean, nobody cared and they still showed up.
Yo, that's crazy.
I'm just saying, United Daytona Truck Meet, this is a spot to be at. Just, the footage speaks for itself, man. Yeah. that was literally the most fun I've had in a while. And it was just so cool because, you know, you see these trucks on Instagram. You know, it was just so dope to have everybody come together, you know, see people do burnouts, or, you know, see trucks that you've actually wanted to see. And, you know, that's what Daytona Truck Meet's all about, you know, having fun and enjoying it. This is only the pre-meet. We still have actually 3 more days to go of fun. Thank you guys for watching. I appreciate you. If you haven't liked the video, make sure to like it. Subscribe if you haven't already. You know, I'm trying to pump out videos for you every week. It's a little difficult with work and everything that I have, but, you know, gonna keep trying, pushing, and trying to make these videos for you guys. Like I said, thank you for watching, and subscribe, like, and share, and we'll catch you in the next one. Peace.